Good afternoon, fellow campers. This is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento's YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Jayco Whitehawk 32 quad bunk model. Wow, is this really a unique floor plan? We're going to walk around the outside and we're going to go inside, and I'm going to show you all the features and benefits of this particular trailer. If you've got a large family, it'd be pretty hard to find something nicer than this. Hey there, this is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento's YouTube channel. Today we're inside the Jayco Whitehawk 32 quad bunk model. Wow, here's another great travel trailer for large families. We're going to walk around the inside here, just kind of look at some features. Of course, you're going to have your large kitchen island. Wow, that's pretty rare in a bunkhouse travel trailer that you have such a nice amenity in a travel trailer. Of course, your 12-volt refrigerator, which is powered off of your Overlander solar system or shore power, your Furrion cook range, and your Furrion microwave, your Bluetooth stereo system. Of course, the Whitehawks come equipped with the fireplace. I love this feature. You could have more counter space if you wish to, or you can push the button and raise up the TV for viewing. Great feature. I love that they recess that TV like on fifth wheels. Looking over here, look at this. So much open area. You have a dinette that converts into a bed. It's also a freestanding table, utility table that can be brought outside and used outside as well. Of course, you have storage under the dinette. Nice sofa with cup holders that also converts into a bed. I mean, this thing's just over 37 feet, and it's going to sleep about 8 to 10 people. 8,500 pounds dry weight. Love the lights and this huge picture mirror that makes the unit just seem that much bigger. Stepping back to the rear here, we have the kids area. Of course, with the bunks up top. It's kind of a wraparound bunk. And they call this a quad bunk system. And, of course, ladder going up. That's a nice feature. Definitely a nicer amenity. This sofa also converts into a bed as well. You have lots of drawers, for storage. And also, deep closet space, too. Everywhere you look. Love this feature. The kids want to come in through their own private entrance. You have this door as well, too. Really cool. These bunks are rated to 600 pounds, so even an adult could sleep up here. It's certainly big enough. Love these features. Stepping up front, going up to the front of the coach here. Kitchen skylight, I don't want to pass that by. And also the fan, help with air circulation. Control panels, okay. Your solar controller, as I did mention, this unit does come equipped with Overlander 1 solar. Love this front window here. I mean, look at both sides here with the windows you get in this unit. Everywhere you have lots of features, USB chargers, the bedroom, of course a door for more privacy in the bedroom as well. Stepping into the bathroom here. Quite a bit of room for changing. Just love the little additions they've made with the accent lighting. Of course, a fan inside. So this is the 2024 Jayco Whitehawk 32 quad bunk model. If you have a large family, you're looking for a separate area for the kids, but you still want quite a bit of space for the adults and just a nice open feel for a living area, this is probably the model for you. You scan the QR code on the screen. That'll take you to our website for current availability and pricing. And this has been Cliff from RVs of Sacramento on our YouTube channel. If you like the content, be sure to indicate so. I sure appreciate you watching.